Hi friends, Raju here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video, how to make money online writing products review. Does it workable or not? Yes, it's 100% workable. If you ask me what's the best way to make money online, then I can say you writing products review is one of the best way to make money online. In this video, I will show you how you can write an high converting products review and how you can make money online. Step by step, I will show you everything. So guys, don't miss any part of this important video. I will show you everything in this video. So if you are a newbie, if you are an advanced marketer, it doesn't matter. I will show you step by step and I will show you what I do personally to writing products review. I will share all of my experience in this video. So if you are really interested to make money online writing products review, then complete this tutorial and like this video. Okay. And I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JVZoo, and many other high-ticket programs and affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. And I am working here over 9 years. So guys, first thing is first. If you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. You see here a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. If you are a newbie and if you don't have any money making opportunities, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, get a lot of money making opportunities. You can get here ClickBank method, JVZoo method, Warrior Plus method, free traffic, CPA marketing, everything. I will try my best to cover everything for any marketer. Okay, so you can get a lot of money making opportunities here. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, let's start how to start make money writing products review. It's an 100% workable method. Now I want to show you the best part of this tutorial. If you complete this tutorial, then you can promote digital or physical products review. You can make passive money online. You can make 100 per day online by writing reviews. It's an evergreen way to make money online. If you can write a products review, then you can get results for a lifetime, for a long time. Okay, you can generate free traffic. I will show you how you can do it, and you just need to spend 2 or 3 hours per day, and you don't need any coding skill, marketing skill, working skill. It doesn't necessary. Okay, don't need to make any videos, don't need to run any ad campaigns, and it's totally beginner friendly. So don't be afraid, don't be worried. I will show you everything step by step. So guys, at the first, if you want to write any products review, at the first you have to choose, do you want to write digital products review or physical products review. If you want to write digital products review, then you can choose ClickBank Marketplace. Okay, then you can choose JVZoo Marketplace. Okay, fine. Then you can choose Warrior Plus Marketplace. And these three are the best to writing digital products. Okay, digital products review. Okay, fine. And if you want to write physical products review, then you can choose Amazon. Amazon is the best. A lot of products, thousand and thousand products here, and you just have to write high converting review and get results. Now the question, how you can write an high converting review. You are a newbie guy, you don't know anything, you don't know how to start writing reviews. I will show you everything. Okay, in the case of digital products review writing, you see here I find out the top key points a digital products review. Okay, if you want to write any digital products review, then you have to focus all these 10 key points, and you can choose this ClickBank network, you can choose JVZoo network, you can choose Warrior Plus network. Okay, fine. And visit the website mansai.com to get all the upcoming products. It's a launch calendar. Okay, you see here it's the launch calendar, all the big launch, all launch, and all the just launch product of Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank inside this launch calendar. Okay, so you will get all the new products, upcoming products inside this mansai.com. Okay, now you have to write an review, but before writing any digital products review or physical products review, you have to choose, do you want to write review on any website or any parasite. Parasite means free sites. Okay, uh, as my opinion, as my recommendation, I suggest you to build a website, your own website. Then you can get results for a lifetime. It's a professional. Okay, if you want to be a professional, then build a website. And if you think no, I don't have any interest to writing reviews, then you can check any parasites for few days, few months. But if you want to get long time results, then I suggest you to build a website. You see here, it's my website, Review with Raju. And if I open one of the review, then see here, it's my review. And I make money writing reviews. It's one of my part to make my commissions. I write reviews every day, every month, every week, every time. Okay, it's my digital products review website, Review with Raju. And it's my physical products review website, Customers Legit Review. Okay, you see here, it's my physical products review website. Okay, I will show you how you can do it. Okay, now you see here all the 10 key points here. Now you can say, I don't know anything, how can I start my introduction, how can I do introduce the vendor, how it works, I don't know how I can get it. Okay, if you check the month launch calendar, then you see here I write this review, sonority review. Okay, you see here this product sonority. Okay, visit this product simply. Then you will get the JB page. JB page means all the information for the affiliates. Okay, you will get all the information inside this JB page. Click the JB page, then you will get all the information, okay, inside the JB page. And you can check the JB document. Then you see here home, swipe and tools, JB documents, product demo, bonus page, everything you will get here. And you see here all the details about this product, introduction of this product, how this product works. Then here is about the vendor. Okay, then what is about this product, you see here all the features. Okay, then who this is perfect for. Okay, then it's the demo video of this product. So you will get everything inside this JB page, and you will get the JB page in the month's eye. And all the upcoming products you see here, today is 23rd, 4th, 25th, 26th, every product, all the launch calendar. If you check here all the upcoming products inside this, so you can get all the digital products here, and you can make a review like this, like me. You can easily make reviews here. Okay, you will get all the info inside the JB page and the sales page. Inside the JB page you will get also the products sales page, and you will get all the information. Now collect the information and manage it to inside your website. That's the review. And most of the people, in the case of digital marketing or physical marketing, most of the people want to write a review before buying the products. Okay, and for this reason writing products review is one of the best way to make money online. So if you can start it, if you can start this writing products review journey, and if you can grow your website, if you can grow your brand, then don't need to make money online forever. Okay, you can make money online for a lifetime. It's an evergreen way to make money online. Day by day, various affiliate networks releases a lot of products. Amazon releases a lot of products per day, per month, per year. So there is no worry, there is no thinking about releasing products, new products. You will look at a lot of products. So for starting your digital products marketing, review marketing, choose ClickBank, JVZoo or Warrior Plus. That's it. Okay. So guys, now see all the 10 key points. At the first, you have to write the introduction. Okay, and you will get inside the JB page. Just start your introduction. That it can be hey friends, welcome to my this products review. then you can start about this product, how this product help you, this type of introduction. Okay, then introduce the vendor. Okay, how much products he releases, how much the percentage of his vendor's percentage, then how many sales he makes, this type of information. Then how it works. Okay, how this product or you will get everything this JD page in the sales page, and you can add it for your customers, for your readers. Okay, then the features of this product, then what you get inside the product. Okay, then the traffic part, if this product or if this software have any traffic part, you have to include it, because traffic is the key to online success. Okay, so you have to focus the traffic part. Okay, then how to make money. If you promote any software or any system, any digital products, then they provide you the make money solution, and you have to include the make money solution. Okay, then does it ought to buy or not. After completing all the sales page information, all the JP page information, if you think this product is ought to buy, then you can say it's ought to buy, and if you think it doesn't ought to buy, then you can recommend other products. That's it. And the funnel details, how many upsells, how many upgrades, how many autos included this product, you have to include it. And the final opinion about this product. And if you check my review, then you see here content of my review, then the introduction part, then the summary of this product. Okay, fine. Then the what is about this product. Okay, how this product works or not, then what you can do using this product. Then you see here how you get traffic using this product. Okay, how does this product helps to make money, then who is perfect for this product, then this product worth buying or not, then why this product is recommended for you. Okay, then the final breakdown of this product, and finally the final opinion about this product. That's my digital products review, and I write a review every day, every month, every week. Okay, if you check my YouTube review website, then you can check it. Okay, it's the all the key points of digital products review. And for writing digital products review, you can choose ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus, all these three affiliate networks. Okay, now I will show you the key points of physical products review. At the first, you have to choose the Amazon or AliExpress or eBay. Okay, after that you have to write this products review. In the case of writing physical products review, you can add the introduction first. Okay, then the features of this product, then how this product or how to use this product. It's a physical product, so you have to focus the how to use it or how it works. Okay, because your customer, these people use this product, okay, as the regular life, daily life. Okay, compare with the similar products. Okay, if you can get the similar products, if you can do the if you can compare with the similar products, then you have to compare it. Then the technical details or the product details, you will get everything. I will show you how you can get all the details. You don't need to be afraid how can I write this type of key points. Then the other people's opinion or review, then the money back guarantee, and your final opinion. Okay, now I will show you how you can get all this. If you check my review, it's my review Fire TV Stick 3rd generation review. Okay, and here is the introduction part. Here you will what you will get, enjoy this HD streaming. Okay, fine. Then the notice and how simply how to set up and use it. Okay, then the compare with other TV sticks. Okay, then the features of this TV sticks. Okay, then all the details about this TV sticks. Okay, then what about the warranty and the services, then the final opinion. Okay, now you can see, you can ask me or you can say how you can get all the info. If you visit the amazon.com, suppose you want to write this products review, any of the product. Okay, just click the product, and you see here it's the product, all the images here. Then you see here is the product name, the what you will get inside this product you can get here. Then you see here some of the information. Okay, some of the information, some you see how it works, all the things you will get. Here is the compare, okay, with other products. Then you see here the compare with other products, you can get it. Here is the product description, all the product description. Here is the product information. Then you will get the question and answer of other users. You can get all the info inside the product, and you just have to manage it into your website. That's it, guys. That's it. And if you can do it regularly, I can assure you, you must get results. If you don't get result, then comment in the comment box, I don't get result, then I will solve your problem. And if you like this video, obviously like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you want to get any elaborate details, elaborate tutorial about any of this writing review or any other method, any other system, then comment in the comment box. I will try my best to make this type of videos, this type of content, this type of tutorial for you, for anyone. Okay, so guys, that's all the process to writing reviews, and it's the one of the best way to make money online for anyone, for any product. It may be digital product, it may be physical product. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like it. And if you have any question about this tutorial, about this method, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and hit the notification to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates, new included all the information inside here. It's a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a newbie, if you want to start your online journey, if you want to long run your online journey, subscribe my YouTube channel, get a lot of money making opportunities. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, the number one business model online, check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, that's it. Don't forget to like this video, comment this video, share this video. So guys, see you soon. God bless you. Bye.